Kusongena saperforma manje. Baba official. Ba official zakwabe la ngikasula mfini. Awufisa ngapi bese? Ekaqwabe lana ngifuna. Hi guys. Ubingelele kamkhulu ukuthi hayi singenile kaQwabe. Sanibonani sithanda. Sasiyangena ke manje. Akushaya ingoma la ngathi before singena futhi shaya ingoma. Noma u2. Bese. Shaya noma u2. Bese siyangena.
Deixa eu só dar um abraço aos meus jogadores. Tá bem. Hey, coach. No, please start. Coach.
Yeah, Mashan. What can? This phone was some other cool.
Merci. Nino. Deixa eu ver meus cachorros.
Hey, well, my dress right.
Hello, everybody. I'm Kitty Sly. I'm with my people. At the so now you will part of my people. So how was the feeling? You know them.
They played well and the best team won.
The best team won, yes. I love that. So how can you describe the feeling to those who have lost?
Just say, oh. Come on, let's say pass yeah, liberate you guys. The best room. Next time, Malibuya, what it is about right? As Bonde.
As a bond.
Down
Can you please talk in your language? Yeah. You are cute.
Okay, yeah, I'm with Kaba Queens and it's awesome to be around them guys and we don't want to balelena mona na mukosa and just to people excited about that and then let's do this and we really love you guys and we really support your music, we love your music. All the best. It's about to
It's so fun, yeah.
Hello, can I get a picture?
Finally.
From Namibia.
But she will take it. She will take it.
Okay, she will take it.
From Namibia. Namibia.
Namibia.
Thank you so much.